Understanding tire rotation costs. Save your tires. Save your money. Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that every car owner needs to know about: tire rotation. It's not just about moving tires around. It's a crucial practice that can extend the life of your tires and improve your vehicle's performance. We'll break down what tire rotation involves, why it's necessary, and, importantly, what it might cost you. So, let's get rolling. Tire rotation is a maintenance practice that involves changing the positions of a vehicle's tires from one position to another. This is done to ensure that the tires wear evenly over time. Uneven wear can lead to reduced tire life, poor performance, and even safety issues. The most common rotation patterns are front to back, side to side, or diagonal shifting, depending on the type of vehicle and tires. Regular tire rotation can significantly extend the life of your tires and improve your vehicle's handling and fuel efficiency. Even tire wear is crucial for maintaining the performance and safety of your vehicle. Tires that wear unevenly can cause a variety of problems, including decreased fuel efficiency, poor handling and traction, increased likelihood of tire failure. Rotating your tires helps distribute the wear more evenly across all four tires, ensuring they last longer and perform better. It's also often a requirement to keep your tire warranties valid. The cost of tire rotation can vary depending on several factors. Location. Prices can vary by region and the cost of living in your area. Service provider. Dealerships, auto service chains, and independent mechanics all offer tire rotation services, often at differing rates. Type of vehicle. Larger vehicles or those with specialty tires may incur additional costs. On average, tire rotation services can cost between $20 to $50. However, many service providers offer tire rotation as a complimentary service when you purchase tires or perform other maintenance services. Always check for deals or package services to save money. Manufacturers typically recommend rotating your tires every 5,000 to 8,000 miles. However, this can vary based on your vehicle type, tire type, and driving habits. It's essential to consult your vehicle's owner's manual or a professional mechanic to determine the best rotation schedule for your specific situation. Tire rotation is a simple yet critical maintenance task that should not be overlooked. By ensuring even tire wear, you not only extend the life of your tires but also enhance your vehicle's safety and performance. Remember, investing a little in tire rotation can save you a lot in the long run by avoiding premature tire replacement. We hope this video has been informative and helps you take better care of your vehicle. Drive safely, and see you in the next video.